like our channel videos. Former President Donald Trump faces criminal charges in court after a historic indictment. The story so far. The charges stem from an investigation into a 2016 hush money payment to an adult film actress, Stormy Danials. Grand jurors voted to indict Trump after spending weeks hearing evidence in the case, which involved years of work by two district attorneys. Former President Donald Trump surrendered to law enforcement in New York City on April 4th after being indicted on a charge of his role in paying adult film actress Stormy Danials $130,000 on the eve of the 2016 election to keep quiet about an alleged affair. Prosecutors alleged the former president sought to undermine the integrity of the 2016 election and was part of an unlawful plan to suppress negative information about Donald Trump. In court, Trump was charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in the first degree. This is the first time in history that a former president has faced criminal charges. However, former President Trump has denied all wrongdoing and pleaded not guilty to the charges against him. He invoked liberal billionaire donor George Soros while criticizing District Attorney Alvin Bragg in his speech, claiming that Bragg is a radical left, George Soros-backed prosecutor. Let's get to know a bit about the key people involved in this case. Stormy Danials. Stephanie Clifford, professionally known as Stormy Danials, is an American adult film actress and director. In 2018, Danials became involved in a legal dispute with US President Donald Trump. Trump's attorney, Michael Cohen, paid $130,000 to silence her about an affair she says she had with Trump in 2006. Trump has denied the affair and accused her of lying. Michael Cohen. Cohen was a confidant of Trump and was his personal lawyer from 2006 to 2018. But as investigations ramped up, Cohen turned on his former boss and has since turned into one of Trump's most vocal critics. In 2018, he admitted to breaking the campaign finance laws by arranging payments to Danials. He has served time in prison after pleading guilty in 2 federal cases. Cooperating with federal investigators in inquiries into Trump's activities, Cohen testified in March about the payment to Danials before the grand jury. DA. Alvin Bragg is the prosecutor leading the investigation of the Danials payment. He was elected District Attorney of New York County in 2021. Alvin Leonard Bragg Jr., born October 21, 1973, is an American politician and lawyer who serves as the New York County District Attorney covering Manhattan. In 2021, he became the first African American elected to that office. Judge. Juan Manuel Merchant is an American judge and former prosecutor with 16 years on the bench, currently serving as an acting justice of the New York State Supreme Court in New York County. This is not Merchant's first high-profile case. In late 2022, Merchant also oversaw the 5-week criminal trial of the Trump Organization. The organization was convicted of 17 counts of tax fraud. He is also the judge assigned to preside over the criminal trial of Steve Bannon. What happens next? The next in-person hearing date for Trump's case in New York is currently set for December 4, 2023. Despite his indictment, Trump remains to be the most popular Republican and a front-runner for the 2024 presidential election. Being charged with or found guilty of a crime does not disqualify Trump from running for office. Stay tuned to My2Sense for more updates.